Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm going to show you how to use a curling iron. This is a curling iron. And whenever you're trying to curl your hair, remember you're actually going to be looking in a mirror. So whatever you do is actually going to be backwards. So just keep that in mind. You're going to want a comb. And we've already applied a thermal protectant to this mannequin's hair. So you just grab a section of hair that you want and figure out which way you want it curled. If you want it curled towards your face, then the duckbill, and that's what I'm calling this bottom piece, needs to be away from your face. So basically, this piece right here needs to be on the opposite direction of how you want the curl to go. So I want the curl to go towards her face. So this is going to go in like this. I'm going to bring it to the end and then start twisting it up. I hold that there until the hair strand itself is warm or even hot to the touch. And then I release it. Don't touch it. Let it cool. Now this piece I'm going to do away from her face. So the duckbill goes towards her face. So just remember that the duckbill goes in the opposite direction of the curl. It's hot to the touch, I release it, and I don't touch it. And that's how you use a curling iron.